Are you getting ready for an interview? I'm going to help you frame your experiences. Preparing yourself for an interview means knowing what companies really look for in your experiences. They want to see how you handle uncertainty, adapt to change, solve problems, and work with people from different backgrounds. And these are the stories that shape me. Starting out with a pioneer team. No existing roadmap, just vision, courage, and the drive to make things work. Leading a pioneer team means building from zero and creating foundations others will stand on. Next is the transition challenge. Shifting gears into a new ERP system wasn't just a system upgrade, it was a mindset shift. Learning, unlearning, and guiding others along the way. Transitioning systems is never just about software, it's about people's adaptability. And when pushbacks do come, they are opportunities to explain, align, and strengthen the change. But if you rarely experience pushback, it may mean your work is trusted, valued, and relied upon. The next should be delays and realities. Not everything went smoothly. Delays happened, sometimes from the team, sometimes from external factors. Instead of setbacks, I saw them as learning checkpoints. Delays often came from data dependencies between teams. I focused on automating data collection and validation to reduce manual lag. We built a central data repository to keep everyone aligned. And where roles were unclear, I set standard operating procedures to define responsibilities. Delays aren't failures, they're signals for realignment. Next would be collaborating beyond borders. Working with stakeholders from other countries taught me how to adapt, not just in communication styles, but in understanding cultural nuances. Cultural nuance means recognizing differences in how people communicate, make decisions, and view timelines or hierarchy. Having experience across multiple countries is important because it builds flexibility. You learn that collaboration isn't only about the project, it's about building trust globally. Next is the use of project management tools. An important part of handling projects is knowing how to use tools. They help break work into smaller milestones, focus on high impact deliverables, and manage time sensitive tasks. I make sure to communicate reprioritization clearly when things change. I also track progress status for visibility, and for multiple engagements, create a structured checklist to stay on top of everything. These tools don't just track work, they give clarity to the team and keep stakeholders aligned. Next is my advice for new users or new to accounting. For anyone new to accounting, my advice is don't be afraid if you don't have prior experience. Start by checking guidelines, review the standard chart of accounts, and follow the compliance calendar. Approach it systematically. Attend training to familiarize yourself with the features, then shadow experienced colleagues for practical tips. Step by step, it becomes second nature. In every challenge, I realized it's not just about delivering results, it's about creating an experience others will remember and want to build upon. A fun fact about me is that I've had experience in audit, treasury, and finance, and now I'm venturing into upskilling in accounting. This blend makes me a more well rounded professional. I can see the bigger financial picture, connect the dots across functions, and bring both analytical and technical perspectives to the table.